Right, so sin méid tafadú. So má haspid le ceiste ceathair déag. What's the Italian is more like hasher border because then right. Right, so ceiste ceathair déag dúirt go y codimna x is ceann trí chearnaithe hín minus ceathair x cearnaithe. Okay, so sinna rud thug sé dúin. So rís mid cuairtú dy dx da sin. So cur u agus v u ige top, v ige bottom. So ta du dx codum la hín, ta dv dx galve codum la le bracket da hín minus ceathair x cearnaithe to the power of minus half midi from minus art x. Seo an éit chais vi cuairma sin a chain rule. So basically rud atá to y or to v codum la so just scríb mar sin cheese. So just go dá go ddígann tú caiit bhfuil seo chartas, okay? So to v codum la 1 minus 4x squared to the power of half. Okay? Because if I rate it on square root, so ara sin go dtí cuairte le. Now, because the le an seátam agus a chain rule, so ra le mé di fadéta rah an bracket na le bíon so sin hín, so le fa hín sin le, scríú mar rud as a bracket, buin hiúl hín, so half minus 1 you to minus half, and then mé di fa dy dx don rud etas dísa lúbi. So caiitu dy dx al da sin, dy dx da hín is 0, dy dx da minus 4x squared, so sin dá fa ceara art is minus 8x. Ran an okay la sin. So the sin codumla. Le for minus art x you to minus ceathair x bracket is scion a rís to minus left back sheets fuin líne agus arthe back shan square root you to minus 4x squared. Okay. So sin dv dx. Agus buasta sin ogad tan hojal forest go or sin ogad an formula líne sta. So the dy dx codumla v du dx minus u dv dx is can v squared. So lean sin is that. So to v sin square root hín minus ceathair x cearnaithe midi fa du dx, so to du dx codumla hín minus dv u sin x midi fa minus ceathair x is can square root hín minus ceathair x squared. Lig is can v squared. So square root the hín minus ceathair minus hín minus ceathair x squared squared. Well an an okay la sir. Okay. Now this is sin jant good. So just bogey mar sean on. So to go o the formula to go ve to sin ma. So to sin codumla. So to dy dx codumla. So raised to the factor square root hín minus ceathair x cearnaithe minus from minus you to plus, because minus from minus you to plus ceathair x cearnaithe is can square root hín minus ceathair x squared. Lig is can hín minus ceathair x squared, because square root squared you to reach it on square root. Okay. Now can they reach it on square root made in top agus the bottom for square root 1 minus 4x squared. So the dy dx codumla. Now we wait to show for square root 1 minus 4x squared to my factor 1 minus 4x squared plus ceathair x squared made the sin is used to call them off a ligish gun hín minus ceathair x squared a ranter or midifa go me let's midu. Midifa square root hín minus ceathair x squared. Okay, so to frigure you to sin I call them all a sin, so frigure you to hín is can hín plus ceathair x squared midifa square root 1 minus 4x squared. Now hokla sin is screw la indices as 1 minus 4x squared to the power of Then you be add that to do. Trí scinne dó. Okay. Agus sinné to get this speed mar sin. Usually because sin that's to the power of 1, power of half, so 1 plus half is 3 over 2. Which is okay, so how can they feel mar sin? I got relation to the marks. Okay? Was okay listen? Would then be sin array? No, right. Well, rather be sin na he can then you be. Well, part of be consumption to get more prejudice or would you okay already you hit the cell. Alright, okay, then you be kind of so I take it come with you okay. Yes, Goblet. Well, oh sure, could you show? Yeah. So my may do not for square root 1 minus 4x squared. So how comes in the screen actually? Into there in the part, the square root to go to the bond to the just call it to rod for square root of 1 minus 4x squared. I guess made in bond for 1 minus 4x squared. So BJ made in top, Python right turn the way to get bond. So raised when you can it. But we didn't say pre carney 1 minus 4x squared for pre carney 1 minus 4x squared to move back to 1 minus 4x squared, which are raised on square root. Made the shot to that just to call them out to the factor of 4x squared. Now, right, minus to the fact we just like here and chat. But kite to because we them on top of leg for square root 1 minus 4x squared, kite and bun, they made the fun what can. And that's just to add your powers. Okay? Right, I'm Jerry, hey Castella. Ocean okay again then you? Yeah? Ocean I give? Right, I'm Jerry, hey Canella. Right. So kijk kist ever quidjig. So quidjig to y cosmla 1 plus cos dot x is kan hier minus cos dot x. Like so to get find dy dx when x is equal to pi over 4. Right. So here dot kind with dy dx out. So raise toshila the quotient rule. U equals v. U get top, V get bottom. So, the du dx, call it cosmla, minus dou sine the dou x. And then you're right catch where my minus 2 sine of 2x. Well, again, and you catch where my for minus 2 sine the 2x. Well, then you be na he can show instance because I'll break it down. More than he can do, but when he can do it, that's fine. And then you're right catch when we're minus 2 sine the 2x. And then you're okay, that's it. Right, okay. Right, so the dv dx, cosmla 2 sine the 2x. Because it is minus for minus you to plus. Because it is the cos 2x cosmla minus sine 2x and then you differentiate the angles and that will dot at this. So, but at least that's the okay. Now, so dy dx. Cosmla raised to the la v, so sin hin minus cos the dou x, medifa v du dx, so sin minus dou sine the dou x, minus u sin hin plus cos the dou x, for dv dx sin dou sine the dou x. The like is gone, hin minus cos dou x squared. Okay, now, hockalaats of halshin like you wait but there's no need because to me just require to dy dx near to x cosma pi is going to so just an actual x and a subtle star pi is going to so you to hin minus cos that do made for pi is going to so sin pi is going to do made for minus do sine that pi is going to do, because it is do made for pi is going to carry and pi is going to do, minus hin minus cos that pi is going to do, for do sine pi is going to do. The like is gone, hin minus cos the pi is going to do squared. Now, my outcome to are the lower tablet nor the calculator. Giant can't you go to in radians. Pi over 2 is radians, so pi over 2 is 90 degrees. So it's related to the quite the cost of 90. Now to cost the 90, out the calculator. So cost the 90 to a 0. So reached, you can see monas. Question cosmla, heen lose 0 from minus da for heen, because it is to sine the 90 cosmla heen, I hope. Yeah, so sine the cosmla heen minus 1 minus 0 made for da for heen. Ligeskan heen minus 0 squared. So frigre you to heen made for minus da, you to minus da, minus heen made for da, you to da. Ligeskan heen, so frigre luge keha. Was no okay again then. Okay. Kom jag ska. Kom jag okej? Sigen har ju in här alla. Han är inte sig den i B. Regin. Vad du minus ska här? Minus då. Vad den vill minus ska här? Den vill du för det så säkert. Oh, ni vet det. Du vet det hade sån en you know. Molly, du för det så fungerar det nu. You were to right. But then you be right. Rhyme with lesson. So okay, preaching. Right. Right. Clicking on it. Just over the shejig. To y cosmla cost of dou x is gone heen minus sine dou x. So u agus v du dx. Then you be getting an inch a day. Daniel? Lugit da sine da x, my hoot. I guess dv dx. And you? Right, so sine da x, right, so you get cos da x, and then kind of made for dy dx an angle, so dy dx to da x. So da, so figure minus da cos da x plus the minus root. Was okay? So can you count it right? Sin x are going to give cos x. But we're saying da x, right? So give cos da x. But then kind of made it for dy dx and ellen. So dy dx to da x and da, and hence green with the da river. Was okay? No, dy dx of 1 is 0. Because you x to be on, so it doesn't, it's 0. Was okay? Can you count your mono election? Dy dx of a number is 0. So you obviously need to see 0. Right. So dy dx cosmla. So raise touch with la v. So heen minus sine to da x. Midifa v midifa du dx, so sin minus da sine to da x. Minus cos to da x midifa minus da cos da x. Ligeskan heen minus sine da x carny. Because the time shot there's a find dy dx and there's the x cosmos 0, so reached near fair David Duma because to require to x cosmos 0. Like shouldn't die heartly screw dy dx Carlina she's a to x cosmos 0. Okay, shouldn't I has to do your halas she's. Okay. So go lesson, because not the bit to go in the shower halas is going to this give value. Right, so to make formula heen minus sine the 0 degrees for minus da for sine 0 degrees minus cos 0 degrees for minus da cos 0 degrees. The ligeskan heen minus sine 0 degrees squared. Now to sine the 0 cosmla 0 to cos the 0 cosmla heen. So to check cosmla. So to formula heen minus 0, so sin heen made for minus da for 0 sin 0 minus heen for minus da. Okay, a ligeskan heen minus 0 squared. So frigere, you to minus for minus, you to plus dó. So frigere dó. We'll see for the hang the fajonas. As you can right, so just go say a quotient rule, eh? Daniel? Alright? Yeah, root in your running key. That's alright, listen to the quotient rule. Yeah? Right. Should I get on there? Should I get on there? Or could you hear canal it? I can't buy it. I'm a hard to know ball, but anyway, I see we right, so to y codumla. 3 here near dó x moji heen around x plus 3. So sin the u, sin the v. Now to u codumla a race screw marmor scarta. Put ratchet on square root is g power. So sin half. Equals the v codumla x plus 3. So to du dx codumla le dó x plus heen equal to minus le medi fa dó. Because raise dy dx on dó x plus heen you to dó. So frigere you to heen is gone 3 here near dó x plus heen. Because le for dó sin heen and then to the sharp back she's full line is that has g square root of these. To dv dx codumla heen. So dy dx codumla x plus 3 modified heen is gone 3 here near dó x plus heen minus u square root dó x plus heen modified heen. The leak is gone x plus 3 squared. Right, this is codumla. So draw to go the energy in us medi ahan rod for square root dó x plus heen is gone square root dó x plus heen. Because the square root to good and short. Okay. Do you come to walk with this? Was an okay again in your position? Yeah. Right. Now so made the rod so to dy dx codumla. My vedum to short for square root dó x plus heen to my facula x plus 3 minus bracket dó x plus heen. So just be clear on minus here. Because it's minus square root dó x plus heen for square root dó x plus heen you to dó x plus heen. But that's still in looping. The league is gone. X plus 3 carry here. Modified square root the dó x plus heen. So the sin codumla. So we to x minus dó x heen minus heen. So you to dó minus dó x or dó minus x coming is gone. X plus 3 carry here for square root dó x plus heen. Like I should know that we should get to show that dy dx is equal to 2 minus x over square root 2x plus 1 made by x plus 3 squared. So sin agent. So we should get your chest back. The show just back to front, but same thing. We do ton. So you should differ each week. So okay? Yes. Dó minus x. Right, so you to plus 3 minus for plus you to minus heen. So 3 minus heen should dó. And then you ma x minus dó x should minus x. So okay? So just make them on the brackets really and then just add your x's and numbers. But I will never get the weight because it was positive. Is it okay? Right. Are we good? We can all we should get a bomb to listen to species. Jeez, this week this one in you. You okay? We can all right. Right, we can all Ceacht be Archig. So kiss the Archig to y codumla pre hernia x is going x plus heen. Right. Now, so sin codumla x is going x plus heen equal to le. Okay. Now, what the musculi and you can't do we? Make this a he kiss my shop. Be open dy dx alta x is going x plus heen. So just to latch in, x is going x plus heen. X called u gets v here. So to du dx Codmla hín dv dx codmla hín. So ta dy dx da y cynsion sin codmla. So rhys yw to v sin x plus hín midi fa hín minus x midi fa hín is gan x plus hín carni. So the sin codmla yw to x minus x plus hín, so rhys to the facula hín is gan x plus hín carni. Okay, so task good sin dy dx. Now, we'll need that. So rhyming back, to make such a chain rule. So chain rule, so to dy dx codmla. So we will le bracket x is gan x plus hín equal to minus le medifa dy dx then rod to state to lubini. So dy dx to shin jant gwyn shaw, which is 1 over x plus 1 squared. That's an okay again. Okay, and then to the addition of ratio. So there's find the value of dy dx when x equals 1. Now it is to the addition hard. So le midi for sure. So you to hín is going to bracket x plus hín carni. Midi for hín when to short she's fuin line to the for hín is going square root x for x plus hín. Okay, and then to make quite dy dx, there's the x codmla to x codmla hín. So you to hín is going to for da carni here, midi for hín is going square root le. Okay, so the sin codmla hín is going to art, midi for hín is going square root le, sin square root da. So figure it, was okay listen. 1 divided by square root half. Can do my square root da. Just brush my cheese so 1 over square root 2 is 1 over square root 2. Can you come square root 1 over 2 is 1 over square root 2. I raised the sin codma hín made for square root da skin the hín with the codma square root da. So just sin codma square root da. So figure use the square root da skin the art, or he got the screamer 1 over 4 square root 2, which is the same thing. Hoplet in the screamer 1 over 4 square root 2 because square root 2 over 2 by 4 is 1 over square root 2. When you can square root 2 over 2 is 1 over square root 2. So these hoplets in the screamer 1 over 2 square root 4. Okay? That's an okay again. So it's in this regular square root 2 over it. Is anybody sin? No. Right. But the rest shouldn't count to the Corriere rule. To the goose of the chain rule, I guess to the goose of the quotient rule past what the end of the chain rule. Was okay. So it is just because of my into the question. Now this is the short stuff for us, like this is the easy stuff. You ask me just stuff Jack we go for. Right. Remember to rate. What's again on you? Yeah. Good. Right. Yeah, here's Jarna, Legix feet. Right, so question Legix, Durchag or y, cosmla sin the 3x plus cos the x. Like it's just Durchag by dy dx. Right, so concha to the just go linear dy dx, cosmla, so 3 cos 3x minus the sin the x. Actually, you can be able to get your lesson. And then you okay lesson? Because sin the 3x, so shouldn't cos 3x, and then dy dx the 3x and 3, so kind of made it for 3. Concha cos x goes to minus x, sin x, and then made it for da, so it's minus 2 sin 2x. So Nijik, fairly straightforward. Kiss your feet, can join that. You to y cosmla x minus sin the x. I guess you should find dy dx. I guess towards the figure in the form k sin squared x. Right. So dy dx cosmla. Go Molly. dá luide dá cos dá x. Caitún dá har isteach because it is dy dx the dá x is 2. Now in general, so net a in the scholarly punchy small to forget to differentiate the angle. So always, no matter make this the same cost, always differentiate the angle. If it's x, it's just 1, so it's different. But it ought to be a little kite video. So now in general to differentiate the angle. So now the shin cosmla dá bracket 1 minus cos the dá x. Agus test going o the lower tably, then you be adding to 0 1 minus cos 2x cosmlas. Should be sine squared x, but just check out, you get the instant check out the lower tablet. Check out the lower tablet. We make the lower tablet or then the sine squared x cosine half 1 minus cos of dá x. So just to note that that's it. So just come on pan jarek diva or jarek. Right, so all the lower tablet test good goal sine the squared x cosine 1 minus cos the dá x. Okay, so she know the lower tablet. The sine squared x cosine half. Now, so it is half of it. You're looking at dá. So run the n into meeting t for dá. So test good goal dá sine squared x cosine 1 minus cos the dá x. So next to 1 minus cos the dá x looking at you. So he can sin skriven as go sin cosine dá midi for dá sine squared x, which the cosine 4 sine squared x. So hence sin fregri midi huerti. Then we get it in the form k sine squared x, and hence sin jam. J here sit in the song shop. Tough. Now, let's get to the hiking halfway. These were my favourite all that shit. I love this lecture. We lecture going to Harvard University. There's actually baker we have more big tattoos, more place that were of genius. Absolute genius. He doctorate they get in just pure mathematics. So you said lecture on which are stuff. We said that. Yeah. So then you be to switch your engineering nearly, so they're doing a ton of stuff. Okay, right, we'll go okay lesson. So that's kind of the credulous over Balu we go there. Right, so that's so Cindy head parts anyway, that's the basics, it's in the rules. Ask what's in the basics. Now obviously third level it doesn't mean the word you start with yourself. We share leave start to then you didn't leave start out then the hard stuff was on it, and you go perhaps with university and next step yeah. But anyway, we covered the graphs exam of the nesting kiel. Ask what you had to differentiate and we said the rules, and then it's peak value and that's a couple of chapters and that's just all about understanding of how try to change relationship like graphs, I guess in applications. Okay? So kicking a little J head to the chapter show. Oh, implicit differentiation. Right. So dois facile implicit differentiation husbandib is just a yen. Okay, that's the easiest way lay husbandib is just folding kinde lay yen. Right. So make it as the r or the row make g shot vy equals. Okay. So just let me get a bracket. So vy codumla x and then you just differentiate dy dx. But you may say equation doing machable. Make this a question of the text door to y squared. Okay, codumla da x carne here moja quick. Like to the giddy chest branch equal dy dx codumla k head x is going to see y squared. So send it to me giddy hash branch. Okay. Alright, so show er line on the hand was it okay? Kiss you here line on the huh? Og be y cubed it on. Sorry, to say inte bara gom sur my screen. He might just find G main larger. Or say y cubed it on. Why? Okay, y cubed. Right now, can the image differentiation? Now, so just on the go can use record that. Right. So run to the now has to be y as you differentiate cost la x, but just made into for dy dx again. Okay, so for example, y cubed would be 3y squared, cost la differentiate, right? But because y ton came it made for dy dx. It shouldn't have changed different. So not how much implicit different or how much because to make made for to make y and that fall dy dx to fall dx dy. So reverse. So hence we multiply by dy dx. Codumla do x squared so sin k had x agus plus quick is 0. Okay, so to dy dx in us codumla k had x around so when you get over 3y squared agus sin agent agus sin do me get each chashbash. Grusha codumla k had x is going 3y squared. So making this a y's is this rod not a y equals then just dy dx, but not a y cubed y squared then kai to implicit differentiation usage, and then you write in terms of dy dx. Right, trial catch over the dot. Catch over the dot, do I grow y squared, codumla x cubed plus dot x. Okay, so raised you to dot y, made it for dy dx. Codumla 3x squared plus dot. So the dy dx codumla 3x squared moja dot is going 3y. Now, hokalatse the y equals so good hokalate sobal back is but sin rod higden yen shot. So sin rod the high show them forget the shot is what a y on you differentiate and just really for dy dx. Yes. Oh, skip all white, sorry, to the cast. Only test us. Why you dying? All white. Right, it was okay, listen, right, try it again, this is 3. The 3 car quick you can shape, so around 3 car quick you can shape. Yeah. Yeah. dy dx to 2x squared. Which is still x to be on. Look, you differentiate. So go back to the differentiation. Da for da, you have to carry x and then you reduce by 1. Yeah. Now, since 5x to the power of 0. Because you'll x to be on, it's 0. You can do. It's actually 5x to the power of 0. 0 by 5 is 0. X to the minus 1 is by 0 is 0. So yes. You can do it. Yeah. Right, question 3. This is my freezer chop. Right, so you do x carrying here plus y carrying here, lose your k head x, lose your art y, codumla 0. Find dy dx and use it to find the slope of the tangent of the circle at the point 62. So you mention you want it. Now, get right to quite to dy dx. So you do dou x, and then you're right la dy dx to x squared is dou x. Plus dou y midi for dy dx minus k minus art midi for dy dx codumla 0. So Najin Jarmut minus y minus art y, so dy dx to minus art y is minus art but Ceacht is still made for dy dx. Now, for the dy dx is g t y, for the x is like g t well. And then we factorize. So, you to dy y made for dy dx minus art made for dy dx. Codumla Jeremit minus dy x or ceacht minus dy x. Okay? Because minus ceacht has to plus ceacht, so screw with ceacht. Now, raised to dy dx bracket dy y minus art codumla ceacht minus dy x, so to dy dx codumla ceacht minus dy x is gun dy y minus art. Okay? Like a shouldn't answer really. And then part journal center find the slope of the tangent to the circle at the point 6,2. Now, Sheila da. So raised to square to dy dx at x codumla she agus y codumla da. So the square to Sheila da. Okay. So raised to sin codumla ceacht minus da for she is gan da for da minus art. Agus the sin codumla ceacht minus da yegsin minus art is gan minus ceacht with the codumla da. So the final codumla da ag point she la da. Okay, so the final codumla da ag point she la da. That's just a coincidence here. Gentlemen, Steve Scrutiny, Zero Max. Do a simulation test, check. Find dy dx. Imagine that the dy dx now just upper sachet top. And just coincidence words in finding turn the Thompson to you to got Zero Max is the script. Oh, but so bad, yes. Is it going to hit 3? Need to pull up the socks, Lisa. Without question or not, when you got an implicit differentiation. Right, so kiss the ceacht. So it's x squared plus y squared plus art x minus dy y plus ceacht cosmo nudge. So you do dy x plus dy y for dy dx plus art minus dy for dy dx cosmo 0. So you do dy dx bracket dy y minus dy cosmo luja dy x luja art. So the dy dx cosmo art moja dy x is gan dy luja dy y. Now, just wait the mission tops the bottom for minus just to follow it out. I hate minus as the top. I was going to minus dy x minus art. Now, if that's okay, you get the government, but I mean the top to bottom for minus here and shen swap play show g plus dy minus dy y, so it's far nicer. I just throw the ones if we did that minus is touch it some la minus. Dy dx of art x is 8. So x to the power of 1. See, can you count it? It's 8x the shape. Now, what the y cosmo art x. So that's x to the power of 1. So for art you to art x 1 minus 0 0. Anything x to the power of 0 is 1. X to anything to the power of 0 is 1. So there's in cosma art for heen, with the cosma art. So there's no X. Do you get it? Yes. It's dy dx of 2y is 2. Okay, because it's y, pi to dy dx. Okay. Now, the quartune slope ag luigi heen agus 3. So raise the quartu dy dx ag x cosma luigi heen y cosma 3. So raise you to art plus da for luigi heen is gan da luigi da for 3. So fregre you to she is gan da minus she and minus ke here. So minus 3 is gan da. So to find a good da minus 3 is gan da. Okay. Right, kissed you quick. Y quadrumla square root of da x is can x squared plus heat. Yes. Da minus da for 3.
Like here, so again, Jordan can be da y minus da the brackets.
Aye, but that him in the signs.
Oh,
See that him is show art plus da y.
oh.
So that means kind of show I have first. Because we're there for I hate minuses for top equations.
Right.
I just a thing I have. I just hate minuses. Tashi sumla minus y equals minus 1. Yeah. So I always change it to plus. So if in the exam papers leak, marking schemes leaking, you have to hate a minus. They usually always change it to plus. So we really wrote at the end that they made the tops and bottom for minus e, just to get rid of the minus. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I guess you two shouldn't. Now minus jam minus da x minus r is gone. Da y minus da, that's fine.
Yeah.
And then just sub as in the share, you to still minus 3 is going to do. Which is okay?
Yeah.
Now, can't you on shot? Now, sin cost some room within you for your ball rate or room with you. Now, the dog postulation in this because it's implicit differentiation. Can dog postulation in this is you square both sides of 180 and square root. Now, so this you get show you because it's implicit differentiation. So just down in you go can use. So carrying yeah too. So you to y carrying here. Quadrumla. Da x is can x carrying plus heat. Nesting differentiation. So you to da y for y carrying here. For dy dx. Quadrumla. Now obviously kite to dy dx on the shun so kite all u is v. Du dx quadrumla da dv dx quadrumla da x. So you to x carrying here plus heen the race goes as a product rule medifa du dx shun da minus da x for da x. Leak is gone x carrying plus heen squared. So you to da y medifa dy dx quadrumla. Now made this in the more you to da x carrying here plus da minus k x carrying here. This can x carrying here plus heen squared. Right, I'm just going to work on on. So to da y dy dx quadrumla. So you to da minus da x squared is can x squared plus heen squared. Now, the ratio gives the screen s equal dy dx quadrumla. Now, there's by squaring both sides so that dy dx is equal to 1 minus x squared over y. So, the ratio we remember da y she's in us. Tamafal da minus dá x squared is gan dá y midi fa x squared plus heen squared. So raise to get dá around the tops to bottom. So the dy dx quadrum heen minus x squared is gan y midi fa x carne plus heen squared. Agus sinna fregre a ví de quarti. Okay? So you hen cast every shade. Dá here. By squaring both sides,